잘 먹어. 어?
카톡 있어요?
아, 네. 카톡 있어요. 지금 택시 4,000원. 오늘은 편집을 좀 하다가 빨도 아직 치료를 더 받아야 되지만 아는 친구가 역 앞에서 술집을 해요. 거기에 오늘 가보려고 합니다. 지금 이동하겠습니다. 지금 프라람까오 도착했어요. 이제 그 형 가게로 갈 생각입니다. 여기 근처에 있다 그래가지고 지금 가고 있어요. 저기 있다. 저기 보이는데 저기 잘 찾아왔습니다. 아, 그땐 비 와가지고 천막을 다 친 거였구나. 이제 천막을 다 걷었네.
안녕하세요. my friend.
사와디카.
리비홍.
사와디카.
사장님이요.
오, 보스.
이빨 괜찮아요? 괜찮아? 떼빵. How are you? Okไหม
오케이.
โอเคแล้วโอ้
네.
ไม่โอเคแล้วไปหาหมออยู่ไหม
잘.
ไปทุกวัน every day ป๋ารักษา
락사, 레, 씀.
อ๋อโอเคกินอะไรไหมกินเบียร์ไหม
화이팅.
ไม่ดื่มโค้ก
잘.
โค้กไหม
콕타이.
โอเค
또 콜라 또 준다고 하네. 여기가 가게예요. 프라람까오에 있는 쪽프라콥이라는 가게입니다. 이렇게 술하고 음식을 팔아요. 이렇게 요리합니다. 이야. 이분은 한국에서 10년 일하고 태국에서 또 12년. 한국말 엄청 잘하세요. 민형은 서빙 위주로 하고 있어요. 여기 막 노래하는 곳도 있고 이렇게 가끔씩 노래를 한대요. 여기 근처에 회사가 많대요. 그래서 퇴근하면은 여기에 와가지고 술도 조금 마시고 음식도 먹고 그렇게 한다고 합니다. 뭐 회사에서 따로 뭐 제재는 크게 안 하는 것 같아요. 술을 마신다고 해서. 뭐 한국도 야근하면은 건들면 안 되죠.
áo biển hay bên này hết bên một tí cái này
오, 갑자기 비가 와요. 망했습니다. 갑자기 비가 와가지고. 아씨, 비가 너무 많이 와. 아, 촬영은 여기까지. BTS?
BTS
Oke.
pagi ini MRTวันนี้ BTS
오늘
Onut oke
오케이. 아, 이렇게 카드가 나옵니다.
Kabong
까봉.
Kabong means good right
아, 성태우.
that one is called Songteo
아,
and these are tomato side
택.
but here in Thailand first thing
지금 택시 4,000원.
오 start 150 บาทที่นี่35 บาท
아, 맞아.
start 35 บาท
1,200원. 1,400원.
싸 한국의 비싸 힘들어
라주리 형하고는 헤어졌고 사거리에서 이제 집에 걸어가고 있어요. 지금은 태국에서 갑자기 러시아 친구가 또 연락이 돼가지고 처음 보는 건데 만나기로 해가지고 지금 저녁에 급하게 나왔어요. We? Hello.
Something fell down to my dress.
Oh,
Yes. I guess it's bad.
how about your Thailand trip?
Oh, it's amazing. Are you streaming?
Not streaming, just recording.
That's your problem.
Yeah.
And then, welcome to Seoul.
Oh, you can speak Korean.
Welcome.
I have seen you visit
Yes.
Gyeongbokgung, right?
Seoul.
It's okay. I'm everything can eat.
I can't.
You can't?
No, because I don't like spicy food.
Oh, me too. I have a sweat.
But Korean people like spicy food.
Yeah. Sometimes I eat hot spice too much.
And cry.
I'm not crying.
여보세요.
Why you try to going to visit a lot?
I like Korea.
This. You can choose.
I don't know what is it.
Maybe this Thai food only. Yeah.
Looks like this.
Is there helps
Oh.
the strong more? Want soup? Nice.ที่นี่มีไม้อุ้มขาบครับ
อะไรนะครับตุ้มหนักไก่ดีครับอันนี้มีสแกนอันนี้สั่งอะไรเลยครับ
Drink? You want a drink? Water, our top,
orange juice Thai
orange juice, ส้มแก้วครับ
เอาน้ำแข็งไหมครับน้ำแข็ง
แห้ง
น้ำแข็ง
อย่าไส้ครับผมเอาตุ้มข่าไก่หนึ่งจานครับแร่ข้าวผัดหมูสับมีไหม
กะเพราหมูสับหมี่ครับเมื่อกี้เอากะเพราหมูสับจานเดียว
หนึ่งจานครับ
แล้วก็ขาไก่
ใช่ครับ
เอาเผ็ดไหมครับ
ไม่เผ็ดครับ
ไม่เผ็ด
ใช่ครับ
ได้
แค่ดี spicy
Very spicy.
yeah แค่ดี Golden Bay How speaking Russian
Давай. Давай.
นะครับนาวาย
Давай.
นาวาย
But you know, Vladivostok. Vladivostok, you know, it's a city in Russia. Vladivostok. You know? I will show you. In Russia. Yeah, Japan, Korea,
Wow
China.
So you can visit a lot in Korea Have a
Before the war.
have a ship right
Ship or airplane, but now only ship.
What is best food in Russia
Mashed potato with meat, but it's like a I don't know how to say it. I don't tell you.
You have to go into it all out so you not remember
super Russian. Right? Can you eat eating kimchi?
Yes, I like kimchi and jajangmyeon. And pizza with sweet potato.
Yeah.
Very good. Also like this Russian food. Like mashed potato and mayonnaise.
안 보이네. 아주 잘 먹어. 아주 잘 먹어. 이게 말레리아가 사는 지금 렌트한 아파트인데, 와, 시티뷰가 여기 33층이랍니다. 여기서. 루프, 아무것도 안 보이네. 시스템이 24 hours?
24 hours, yeah, you can use it anywhere.
우와, 머신. 와, 장난 아니네. 헬스 머신이 쫙 깔려있네 안에. 어두워서 안 보여. 이야, 장난 아닌데? 바이크도 있고 사이클 타는 거 있고, 와, 런닝머신도. 와, you're not doing exercise here? You're not doing? No?
I use only Pilates.
필라테스.
Yes, and yoga room.
요가.
Because I'm a dancer, and sometimes I want to have some on my own class.
불통 있나? 이렇게 레스트룸. 와, 스케일이. 와, 진짜. 뭐야, 키친.
But you see, everything is here.
무슨 아파트먼트에 키친이 따로 있어?
Not real.
이거 날 리얼이네. 이거 리얼이면 하나 테이크잇 하려고 그랬는데. If going outside is same use car?
I see.
그거는 same my condo. 똑같네. 생긴 거. 여기서 또 띡? 하고 이제 풀, not push. Maybe I'm living here. I'm lost, Lord.
Just one day.
I'm lost, Lord. 와, very big.
Very
진짜. 장난 아니다. Bye bye.
good night.
Yeah. See you again. If have time, see you.
카톡 있어요?
어?
카톡 있어요?
네. 카톡 있어요.